What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is giving hair, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Thank you so much to Lavyhair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into the details on this unit. So this is a completely glueless 9x6 lace closure unit with HD lace, honey. This unit is also 180% density, which is my absolute favorite. Not too thick, not too thin, right in the middle, just where I like it, okay? This is also a body wave unit in 22 inches. This unit is literally everything. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. Everything that the wig need to be done before it's on your head is already done. Listen. I'm about to give y'all the rundown from top to bottom. So let's go ahead and get into this lace first. I love the HD lace. I did not have to do much to this unit at all. I did not have to go back and pre-bleach it or anything. Literally the only thing that I did to this unit was add a little bit of powder just on this perimeter of my head. I didn't add any powder within the actual lace of the unit. And I do also like the parting max on this unit, which pretty much means you can part this unit anywhere, everywhere. And at the same time, you do not have to deal with those crazy annoying ear tabs. And as y'all can see, the lace literally starts right here and then it ends right here. And I also just like to have my natural baby hairs to like peek through, because I feel like it just makes the unit look a little bit more natural and a little bit more like my hair. The lace on this unit, very easy, very simple, and perfect for beginners. And I'm actually shocked that I didn't have to use any lace tint on it. I just used a little bit of powder. The new lace design on this unit that Lavyhair created was to mimic an actual forehead contour. So it's supposed to look like your forehead for real, girl. So I really do enjoy that this unit did have that 9x6. I cut off about this much of lace, y'all, to make it look like this, to mimic my natural forehead line. But as y'all can see, I still have a lot of parting. Like literally this is where the first weft starts. The deep parting eats, and it just makes the wig look a lot more natural. I will say, because I have a smaller forehead, I did have to go ahead and customize this unit just a little bit so that it can look great on me and right on my head, girl, because I got a little bitty wavy head, okay? I did end up having to cut off a little bit of lace right here in the front just because I got a little bitty tiny forehead, okay? Mine ain't that big, sis. Aside from that little tweak, and that's just personal preference for me, and that's just how I like my lace to look, because I don't like when my lace is way too down on my forehead, girl. It looks crazy. Y'all know what I'm talking about, especially when you already have a small head and a small forehead. Speaking of my head size, I did go ahead and get this unit in a size small, and I'm so happy that Lavy offered me the option of picking my wig cap size, because I run into so many units that are actually too big for my head, y'all, and this one is literally a perfect fit. Like, this one is staying in my collection, okay? This one will not be sold. It will not be given away. This one is for me, okay? It fits my head very snug and very tight, like real good. Not only is the lace really good on this unit, the hair is bomb.com, girl. The hair is 10s, 10s, 10s across the board. Listen, the quality of Lavyhair never disappoint. I actually tried a ponytail from them a while ago, and I really do still enjoy that ponytail and like the texture of it. The hair is superior, you guys. I literally can run my fingers through this hair, no tangles, no shedding, none of that at all. And at the beginning of this video, you guys saw me curl this hair. I used no combs, nothing but my hands just to run my fingers through it, do my little one curls, and that was it. I'm a sucker for some good quality hair, girl. And although you guys see me do these wigs here on my channel and style them and all of this stuff, I am still nowhere near a professional, you guys. I still consider myself a beginner and an amateur. So if I was able to customize the lace on this unit, get this unit looking how it's looking, honey, and it's on my head how it's supposed to be on my head, you know how easy it is then to put this one on. I literally have nothing but good things to say about this unit, you guys. Like, this is literally perfect. I love the length on me. It comes about bra strap. Now, of course, if I straighten this hair, it's going to be a little bit longer because, like I said, it is a 22-inch unit. So it should be tickling my little, listen. And of course, I cannot leave you guys without a coupon code and a link to this unit. All of those things will be linked down in my description bar below, so check that out. And this unit is also super affordable, may I add, y'all. As we transition from summer to fall, this is literally going to be the perfect unit. Easy, throw on, and I love like how well this unit fit, okay? Listen. No humps, no bumps, no lumps. Y'all can't tell me y'all look good, okay? Listen. Thanks again so much to Lavyhair for sponsoring today's video. As always, everything will be linked down in my description bar below. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.